move to the next question. The LCM method of different kind of question. Now look at the screen. A is twice as good as workman B. A जो है वो B से जो है वो twice efficient है and together they finish the piece of work in 18 days. That means what is mentioned? A is twice efficient. A जो है वो twice efficient than B. Okay, very good. And what is mentioned? A and B complete the entire work in 18 days. This is mentioned. And this question is basically based on efficiency. So now this class is basically based on whenever the efficiency is mentioned to you, then how you will solve the question. So in this category, the procedure is little different. Okay, so what is the concept? I'm just going to tell you. So in this case, A is twice efficient than B, first thing, and A and B complete the work in 18 days. This is mentioned in the question. Now, in how many days will A alone finish the work? You need to calculate A, how many days A take to complete the work. Okay, so जब भी efficiency question रहता है तो कैसे प्रोसीड करेंगे आप समझिए जरा. देखिए अगर A, मान लीजिए ऐसे मानते हैं, if B manufacturing 1 unit and since A is twice efficient than B, then how much A produce? So A produce 2 units. Yes or no? If B manufacturing 1 unit, then A produce 2 units. Why? Because 2 is twice efficient. It is mentioned in the question. Twice efficient than B. Okay, fine. Now A and B complete the entire work in 18 days. 18 दिन में A और B मिलकर काम को खत्म कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. A मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करता है 1 यूनिट पर डे. तो 18 दिन में इसने कितना बनाया होगा? तो दिस इज कॉल्ड 18 यूनिट. ओके, तो इंडिविजुअल B मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 18 यूनिट. सिंस A मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 2 यूनिट, तो हाउ मेनी unit he produced in 18 days? So this is 18 into 36 units. So why I'm doing this? Because I want to know the total work done. अगर एक बार आपको टोटल वर्क समझ में आ गया तो आपका काम आसान हो जाएगा. So first I am calculating the total work. So what is my total work? 36 plus 18 gives 54 unit. So this is the 54 unit and this unit is my total work. Okay, now the question is simple. Okay, now the question is very simple. Okay, so A and B work for 18 days. So you calculate how much time A take to complete the work. Okay, this is my total work. कितना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना है? 54 यूनिट. एंड A का 1 डे वर्क कितना है? 1 डे वर्क कितना है? 2 यूनिट. तो A एक दिन में कितना बनाता है? 2 यूनिट बनाता है. तो 54 यूनिट टू कंप्लीट 54 यूनिट, हाउ मच टाइम A take to complete the entire work? So A takes 54 is my total unit production, and 2 unit per day he manufacturing. So what is 27 days A take to complete the work? So my answer is what? 27 days. Now if in the same question it is mentioned that how much time B take to complete the work. Okay, so B manufacturing 1 unit per day. So B manufacturing 1 unit and total work is what? 54 unit. So B take 54 divided by 1 unit per day. So B take 54 days to complete the work, to complete the entire work. Okay, now from this A and B, so B is what? 54 days to complete the work. Now from this equation I can easily get to know that A is twice efficient than B. देखो B को 54 days लग रहा है कंप्लीट होने में, whereas A take 27 days. It means that A is twice efficient than B. So जो काम B जो है 2 दिन में करेगा, वो A कितने दिन में कर लेगा? 1 दिन में कर लेगा. This is time ratio. And work ratio क्या होगा? Just reverse. Remember my first lecture. Time and work are inverse relationship. So if B manufacturing 1 unit, then A is manufacturing 2 unit because A is twice efficient. This is work ratio and time ratio is reverse. So A take 27 days, B take 54 days. Why A takes less than B? Because A is twice efficient than B. Okay, now move to the next question. Next question is, look at the screen. A is thrice as good as B and therefore able to finish a piece of work in 40 days less than B. Okay, in how many days they can complete the whole work working together. Okay, तो इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दे रखा है एक बार समझते हैं. ये भी एफिशिएंसी क्वेश्चन है. बोल रहा है ए जो है वो बी से थ्राइस एफिशिएंट है, 3 गुना ज्यादा. ओके, थ्राइस एफिशिएंट देन बी. और जो उनकी डेज का डिफरेंस है दैट इज व्हाट ए कंप्लीट 40 डेज लेस देन बी. तो समझते हैं. तो अगर मान लीजिए इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करेंगे, अगर ए मान लीजिए 10 दिन में किसी काम को करता है 10 डेज में, तो बी उस काम को कितने दिन में करेगा, 30 डेज में करेगा. क्यों? इट इज मेंशन दैट ए इज थ्राइस एफिशिएंट देन बी. ए जो है वो 3 गुना ज्यादा एफिशिएंट है बी से. अभी आपको समझाया. और अगर मैं सपोज करो इफ आई वांट टू टेक द डिफरेंस इन दिस केस a minus b, then what is my difference? Difference is 20 days. तो a और b के काम करने का जो डिफरेंस रहेगा वो that is what 20 days. But what is mentioned in the question? Look at the question. Look at in the question it mentioned that कि a is thrice as good as b, okay, and therefore can finish a piece of work in 40 days less than b. तो अगर मान लीजिए कि a 10 दिन में बनाता है, b 30 दिन में बनाता है, तो डिफरेंस 20 डेज है. तो फर्स्ट यू मेक श्योर टू कन्वर्ट दिस 20 into 40. So I need to multiply to convert this value in 40. This is multiplication of 2. So if I multiply this term by 2, the same thing I can multiply in this also to maintain the equilibrium. So this is 10 into 20 days and this is 30 into 60 days. Now your equation completed. So first you make necessary changes based on the question mentioned. The question में देखिए mentioned है. तो अब अगर इन दोनों का मैं डिफरेंस लूं तो देखिए डिफरेंस क्या रहेगा मेरा 40 डेज. तो अब मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या बन गया, नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज इफ ए कंप्लीट द वर्क इन 20 days then b complete the entire work in 60 days and the difference of a and b, difference of a minus b is what, 40 days. Now your questions what is written is mathematically I am converting that statement into equations. Now how you can calculate the total work and then take the LCM. So what is LCM? Because first thing is to find out the total work. So total work कैसे मिलेगा, a 20 days में कंप्लीट करता है, b 60 days में. What is the LCM 20 and 60? This is 60. So 60 units is my what, total work. Total work मिल गया आपको, ये हो गया total work. If you know total work then it is easy to predict the value of a and b. आपको निकालना क्या है, आपको निकालना है दोनों मिलकर उस काम को कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करेंगे. तो देखिए what is a's one day work. So my a's one day work क्या है, a complete 60 unit in 20 days. So a manufacturing how many unit per day, divide this value you will get 3 units. So a manufacture 3 unit per day. How much b manufacturing one, what is one day work of b, b completed 60 unit in 60 days. So b one day work is what, 1 unit per day. So a manufacturing 3 unit, b manufacturing 1 unit. So a and b together, a plus b together one day work. So one day work is what, 3 plus 1 4 unit. तो a और b मिल करके per day 4 unit manufacturing करते हैं. So a and b combined work together to make 4 unit in one day. So 4 unit बनाते हैं, एक दिन का काम है. इतना unit is my total day. So a and b take how many days, 60 is my total work day, 4 unit per day they manufacturing, so 15 days. So a and b together can complete the work in how many days, 15 days. So this is the concept, this is the logic. इसमें हमने क्या किया था, what is mentioned, सबसे पहले था a is thrice efficient than b and the difference of value is 40 is mentioned. So first I assume that if a complete the work in 10 days then definitely b take 30 days because a is thrice efficient than b. Then the difference is only 20, but it is mentioned the question, look at the screen, mentioned the question, the difference must be 40 days if a and b work together. So first I convert this value into 40 by multiplying two terms. So if I multiply 20 into 2 you will get 40. Since I multiply in the difference term, so I am also multiply the same value in the given equation. So 10 into 2 20 days, 30 into 2 60 days. Now in this case the difference of a and b is what, 40 days. Now my question is complete. So I am converting my equation form. Now A complete a work in 20 days, B complete it in 60 days, और A and B का difference कितना है 40 days. Now take LCM to find out total work. So what is the LCM of 20 and 60? 60 units. So 60 units is your total work which need to complete. Now rest all things are simple to you because we already discussed, we already know that how to proceed later on once you know the total work. So A one day work निकाल लीजिए, B one day work निकाल लीजिए, कितना बनाते हैं? तो ए और बी का एक दिन का काम निकाल लेते हैं, उसके बाद जितना बनाना है उससे पर डे वर्क को डिवाइड कर दीजिए, आपको मिल जाएगा कि 60 यूनिट को बनाने के लिए कितना दिन लगेगा अगर मैं एक दिन में 4 यूनिट प्रोडक्शन करता हूं।